Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to install this tire valve cap which has the Volkswagen logo. So let's do the quick unboxing and let's see how it looks after the installation. Watch the video till end. So guys, this is the valve cap. You can see this is the pack. You'll get the information here. The MRP which they have mentioned is not the right MRP. Like in Flipkart you will get for less. So yep, this is the small pack of the, you will get 4 valves. You can see the Volkswagen logo. I'll just quickly open this. Okay guys, so this is the valve cap, and if you talk about the quality of the valve cap, this is completely made from aluminum, and this is the logo guys. Okay, so I'll keep this here, and another one. Yep, you can see inside this you will get some red color of rubber which will fit to the wall. So this is also good, and this one next. Yep, this is also good. Okay, so for 4 wall caps are there for all the 4 wheels, not for the spare wheel, so you will get only 4 pieces. Okay, so this is the wall cap guys. Now let's install it quickly. Okay guys, let's install this now. This is the my first rear wheel, and you can see a plastic cap is already there. So I'll just remove this, and I'm going to install the logo one. So yep. Yes guys, you can see now it's looking good. It's almost covered the wall. So the first one is done. Now let's move to the next tire. This is the front, and here I don't have any valve cap, so I'll just install this. So you can see the red rubber in the end of the valve cap. So this is very simple guys. It's not going to block you anywhere, like just rotate it. Yep, done. That's how it's looking now. Yep, looking cool guys. Let's move to the next wheel. Here also I don't have any valve cap, so I'll just add this. Yep, it's looking good. So see, when you see the VW logo, it's really make you happy guys. Let's move to the next wheel now. Yep, let's install this. Done. So I have installed all the 4 valves. It's looking complete guys. Before it was looking little oddish, the valve. Now it's looking good. So all the 4 wheels are done. Yep. Okay guys, now let's discuss about the price. This is very cheap and best, and this costed me rupees 240 rupees, somewhere 240 rupees. So this is very cheap and best guys. I hardly suggest you to go for this if you are looking for any tire valve cap. And if anyone looking for OEM valve cap, Volkswagen's OEM valve cap, then you can buy that as well. So I will add both the link in the description. So please take care of this whenever you fill the air, and make sure the person who is refilling the air is reinstalling back to the valve. So this is very cheap and best. So if you forgot, or if you lost this valve cap, then there is no issue, because it's somewhere 240 rupees. And if you're buying OEM one, then you have to be little careful with that, because it costs 4,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees each cap. So make sure if you're buying OEM, then you have to be very careful when you're refilling the air and all. So make sure you're not losing it anywhere. So yep, that's it in today's video, guys. Meet you all in next video. So if anyone are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Amazing videos are out there on my channel. A lot of information are there on the channel, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. Meet you all in my next video. Till that, take care.